String similarity metrics in Python. I want to find string similarity between two strings. N.Wikipedia has examples of some of them. Code.Google has a Python implementation of levenshtein-distance. Is there a better algorithm, and hopefully a Python library, under these constraints? I want to do fuzzy matches between strings. E.g. matches, hello, all you people, should return true. False negatives are acceptable, false positives, except in extremely rare cases, are not. This is done in a non-real-time setting, so speed is not much of concern. Edit, I am comparing multi-word strings. Would something other than Levenshtein-distance or Levenshtein ratio be a better algorithm for my case?
Is that what you mean? Look at this URL. There's a great resource for string similarity metrics at the University of Sheffield. It has a list of various metrics beyond just Levenshtein and has open source implementations of them. Looks like many of them should be easy to adapt into Python. This URL. Here's a bit of the list. Hamming distance, Levenshtein distance, Needleman-Wunsch distance or Seller's algorithm, and many more.
I realize it's not the same thing, but this is close enough. You can make this as a function.
I would use Levenshtein distance or the so-called Damaro distance, which takes transpositions into account, rather than the difflib stuff for two reasons: 1, fast enough, dynamic programming algo, and whoosh, bit bashing, C code is available, and 2, well-understood behavior, e.g. Levenshtein satisfies the triangle inequality, and thus can be used in e.g. a Burkhardt-Keller tree. Threshold, you should treat as positive only those cases where distance is lower than 1, x, asterisk max, len, string 1, len, string 2, and adjust x, the similarity factor, to suit yourself. One way of choosing x is to get a sample of matches, calculate x for each, ignore cases where x is lower than say 0.8 or 0.9, then sort the remainder in descending order of x and eyeball them and insert the correct result and calculate some cost of mistakes measure for various levels of x. NB your ape/apple example has distance 2, so x is 0.6. I would only use a threshold as low as 0.75 if I were desperately looking for something and had a high false negative penalty.
Psychopanel, link Similarity,